Alright, y'all, I figured I'd do another quick video here. I just got a person in the comments talking about how he likes these self-propelled vacuums that have a belt system. So here's one that I actually do favor a lot. Even though I haven't used it very much lately, it's my Hoover PowerMax. It really, really likes to take off on you, though, so if you get one, beware of that. Here we go. Yeah, this thing may be loud, but it is a dirt devouring machine. Should have seen it at my previous workplace. Like, I have actually used this thing at my old job. Yes, it was post-construction cleanup at one point. Don't worry, I had already went around with a magnet and picked up any nails and all that. Because the Conquest that I have, it needed a bag in it, and this had a good bag in it already, so not really much of a necessary thing to just take a bag out of another machine and put it in the one you really like to use. So I just loaded this up, plugged it in, and even my coworker, now she has arthritis in her hand, and she couldn't push the Conquest because it was so big and heavy. However, when she got behind this, because I was actually scraping the crud out of the bathtub And, yeah, I heard this thing fire up, and then I kind of heard her scream because, well, apparently she thought that this was the power switch. And then she turned it on, and then it just about took off on her from what she told me. And it will. This one will take off on you. So yeah, there was a lot of carpet fiber and a lot of that clay dirt that you see on a lot of construction sites, that red dirt ground into the carpet. And when I got behind it, I heard a lot of stuff going into the bag. I heard a lot of stuff going through it, and it's probably, yeah, that's definitely all this down here. This isn't out of the back porch. No, I haven't really used this a whole lot since I used it at the construction cleanup. And yeah, let's just say, oh wait, I actually have the memorial video that I made of the purple vacuum cleaners. But there wasn't really much that was being put through this anyway, so that's probably out of the question. But it did pick up a lot of dirt at the construction cleanup, post-construction cleanup. Yeah, that's kind of the backstory on it. At every job I've done. Well, I've only used it on one job. My coworker wanted it to be brought back onto the job, but I said, I can't really do that because I only brought that one to use in the meantime while I got a bag in my Conquest, so that I could resume using that, because the Conquest has the heavy objects clean out on the side, so nothing really big or heavy will go through that. Though it did eat a triangle of carpet that big once. Yeah, the Conquests are monsters. But anyway, that's really it for this video. I would have done a thing of it cleaning the cat tree, but the little flap that switches it to hose mode is broken. And I haven't found a source of parts for this yet. So that might not ever get fixed. I might just have to use it as an upright. So, yeah, tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content if you haven't yet. And until next time, bye, y'all.